I wanted to take some time to go through fabric that I have. They're in different bins, different compartments, and they serve a variety of different uses. These particular fabrics are what I would use as backing, so I just really wanted to kind of go through them and just put the ones that are similar together so that when I go into the bin I can easily see what I have. These are done using stencils. And some have been painted. But as I say, I just want all the like fabrics together, and then it makes it easier to be able to see what's here. And then put them back in their container. And I want to store them like that. Some of these are small, obviously cannot be used for the backing, so these will go into the smaller scrap pile. These are all painted or stenciled fabric. And then they take up less room. I mean, look at that. You can fit more in there. so this one's a lot better, so I can see all the pieces in there. Obviously they're varying sizes, but I'm glad I did that. So I know exactly what's here. And these white pieces, I've got a bin just for white fabric that's due to be dyed. This is jeans material. I'll put this in here for now because there was some jeans material here. And again, some scraps that goes into a smaller bag like this with just little tiny bits of scraps.